we're nerding out at Dreamy Draw Recreation Park at the base of Piestewa Peak, where you can enjoy the diverse desert landscape and city views.
People are flocking to the desert, and it is evident in the numbers of our inventory. Currently, as we stand on the MLS, we have actually less than 5,000 active available homes on the market in comparison to 2 years ago when we were about 20,000. However, don't let that scare you. Last year in 2020, Arizona had the highest record of all of home sales. So we actually are moving and churning, and people are actually able to flock here, and we're able to get them settled into the desert, and we want to welcome you here too.
Given the high demand to live in the beautiful city of Phoenix, speed to lead is essential for both buyers and sellers.
With good reason, Phoenix is growing. We still have room to get to the home values of other metropolitan cities such as San Francisco, Chicago, and New York City. So let us help you navigate the raging rivers of real estate.
Phoenix is the #1 fastest growing city in the nation.
So call us now to work with the #1 independent agent, Trevor Halpern, at the #1 independent brokerage at North and South.